Here's how to create a scrolling timeline in your animation in Premiere Pro. Start by using the Type tool to type your text on the preview screen. Highlight your text and go to the Properties panel to customize its appearance. Then, go to the Effects panel and apply the Gaussian blur effect to your text layer. In the Effect Controls panel, click the stopwatch icon to set keyframes for both position and blurriness. Now move your timeline slider forward about 4 seconds. Adjust the horizontal position of your text to the left until the last part of your text is visible. Click the keyframe button for blurriness again at this new position. Then move your timeline slider to the midpoint between your two keyframes and increase the blurriness value to 200. Expand the blur dimension settings and select horizontal. Next, click the rectangle mask tool under the opacity settings. Position the mask so it covers a single year in the center of your screen and increase the feather value to 100. Finally, select both position keyframes. Right-click and apply ease in, then repeat the process and apply ease out.